So this is Inspection Mirror, and the examples I have for the machine are the large 3D printed test blocks. I have a left hand and a right hand. We're going to do a program now for the left hand, and then I'll show you how to use the Inspection Mirror to create a program automatically for the right hand. So this is the inspection I have created for the left hand block. It has multiple head indexes. It has a range of different positions as well as datum callouts. And the idea now is I'll show you it running through just so you can see it. I will speed the program up, and then we're going to use Inspection Mirror to copy over and create the right hand inspection routine. So let's load the left hand part, fit the clamp, and then we'll run the inspection. And that is now complete. And if we switch on the software, you'll see that inspection is now complete, and we are ready to now mirror the program using Inspection Mirror. So once the program is complete, we are ready to then mirror, and this is done using Feature Array. So if we click on the Feature Array icon, you'll see we still now have the same options as before. So ring, grid, and mirror. Only there's a new icon now in the top left hand corner of the Feature Array window. Hover over it, it says Mirror Inspection. If we click this icon, you'll see the software generates a message, Mirror Current Inspection. The inspection will be mirrored about the component YZ plane through the origin. It is recommended to save the current inspection before mirroring. Mirroring is imperfect. You should check over the result and fix any errors. Do you wish to continue? If we press OK, you'll see the software has automatically flipped over the inspection, but it has maintained its datums, and it's also mapped over any probe angles ready to run. So we'll now adjust the fixturing so that the fixturing is also mirrored, and then we'll run this through. So I now have the fixturing mirrored as well. I load in the right hand part and fixture it. It is important that the fixturing is also mirrored, as I had move wires, etc. in the program that need to be located against the same faces, but obviously mirrored. So there's a few quick steps I would recommend doing before running this. The first one is obviously to click Save As and save it as a separate program. So in this example, I'll call it RH right hand. That just differentiates the two programs so you don't overwrite the old program. The next thing, because we used multiple indexes, if those indexes aren't already built into Probe Manager, you'll notice the software automatically adds those offsets. So in the previous program, I used B135 and B30, and the software has automatically added -135 and -30 for this right-hand program. So you'll need to datum those. I'll not do that in this video just to save a bit of time, but datum those. And then the next thing would just be to go into program details and tick manually measure reference features and auto remeasure reference features. That will teach the reference system, and then this will run through as normal. So I'll just datum those probes now, and then we can run the program through. So the probes are datumed. I have manually measure reference features and auto remeasure reference features ticked. So if I press play, I'm now ready to run through the program. I'm just going to teach the reference system manually with the joystick. So it now knows where it is. I'm just going to move the probe up and out of the way. You can watch this now cycle through. And there we go. So that is the right hand program complete. You'll see it added all the indexes in, added the probes that we require, which we can then datum, and all of the positional callouts have also been mapped over, as well as maintaining all the datums. So it's a much bit more improved version of the mirror that was brought out earlier this year. This is for mirroring the entire inspection rather than just individual features, and as you can see, it works perfectly great and saves a bunch of time.